Hello everybody, welcome back. Paulie here. Got a great recipe for you today. It is a mushroom herb stuffed cod. This is also great with chicken, but today we're going to use a nice cod fillet. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I do. Okay, I'm going to show you most of the ingredients for our stuffing mixture. It is some white button mushrooms, we've got fresh parsley, fresh basil, fresh rosemary, marjoram, we've got shallot here, we've got lemon, we've got garlic, we're going to use some dried lavender and some homemade chicken stock. This is most of the items for our mixture for the filling, so we'll get started here. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with our filling. So I'm going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil to begin with, like so, and a little bit of unsalted butter. Along with that, we'll get our shallot in there. Let's get that started to sweat down a little bit. After a couple minutes, I've got a little caramelization going on with our shallot, and we'll go in with our mushroom. We'll get that incorporated. We've got our mushroom incorporated. We'll go in with some kosher salt, cracked black pepper, like so. Alright, I've let our mixture go for close to about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally there. I'm going to go in with our garlic here, let that go for about 30 to 45 seconds. Get that incorporated. Okay, at this point I'm going to go ahead and go in with our chicken stock, like so. We're also going to go in with our lemon juice, fresh squeezed, like so. And we'll finish off by going in with our herbs here. Got all of our herbs there together. I'll have all the amounts in the description box below, or drop down section. But let's get all this incorporated. I went ahead and turned the heat down a little bit, but before I continue or finish this off, I want to give it a taste test to make sure my salt content's where I want it. I'm going to hit it with just a tad more salt and some cracked black pepper, and we'll be done. Give it another stir, and then we'll take it off the heat and we'll let it cool off some before we go to stuff our cod. Alright, there you have it. There is our mushroom herb mixture that we're going to use to stuff our cod. So now that we have that done, let's get our cod prepped and let's get ready to stuff it up and get it in the oven. Alright, here's our gorgeous fillet of cod. See how it is there, like so. So we're just going to lay in on this bed here our mixture. Get it spread out there across there, like so. And you're going to have some spill out. That's just normal, right? So, but anyway, we'll get this in there, like so. Alright, we got our filling in there, and what I also did was I took some butcher's twine and slid it underneath like so, and on either side, and then you just slide it under the fish, and so we're ready to go, right? So then we can roll this up and over. Like I said, stuff's gonna spill out, that's okay, but for the most part it'll be inside there, and then we can tie it off at the top. Cinch it up, and a little tie. Nothing fancy, just enough to hold the top over there. And you see how it is. But once we get this done, we'll season up the top there and the bottom, and then we'll get it all ready for the oven. So we'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and seasoned it with salt and cracked black pepper, so we can go ahead and transfer it to our baking dish here. Like so, and then we're ready for our oven. Alright, there it is after about 15 minutes in a 400-degree oven. There is our gorgeous stuffed cod. So let's get these ties off of there, this twine off of there, and let's get it plated up. Okay, I'm just going to take some kitchen shears like so and cut through the twine pieces. And these obviously aren't the sharpest, but they get the job done. So maybe next time I'll use better ones, huh? But you see what I'm doing there? Okay, after cutting and getting rid of our twine pieces, you can see it's nice and flaky there. So we can go ahead and transfer this to our plate there. So I'm going to go in underneath with a spatula on this side and go underneath with a spatula on this side. It's still kind of hot, so, but it is what it is, and go straight across like so. Gently underneath, because it's gorgeous and flaky. Alright, now that we got our cod plated here, I'm going to go ahead on top with some melted butter. Like so. Oh yes, gorgeous. A little bit of lime juice, fresh squeezed. For additional flavor there, and then we'll go in with some fresh parsley here. And there you have it. It is our stuffed cod fillet, and it's got the mushroom herb filling. Gorgeous, I tell ya. Thank you for watching Slaughter Food Creations, and we'll see you next time.